Hey traders, in this video I will present you the most beautiful, simple and 99.99% working strategy. Basically in this video I will trade the ascending triangle pattern formed in a Bitcoin. I know you know the ascending triangle pattern, but I think you may not know completely. I will tell you a method you have never known before. Let's imagine the time is 6 p.m. and you open your laptop, and in your laptop you open your trading software and you will find this kind of setup. It means you got an opportunity. This is the ascending triangle pattern. Firstly we discuss what is ascending triangle pattern. Here we see the ascending triangle pattern is formed and this is the bullish pattern. Before you trade, firstly try to observe the trend of the market. In this bullish pattern the market is negative. We shouldn't trade here. Firstly we see here the market is so bullish before that, and this means the trend of the market is positive. Now we have one confluence. I know some people have difficulties to find that trade and to find some kind of chart patterns, but for this you have to learn all the chart patterns and you observe the market structure and you observe chart patterns all the time. This is the only way to learn the chart patterns. You should practice more and more. In this ascending triangle pattern, if the market is negative, we should ignore this trade and will not try to put your entry and try to enter in this trade. There are so much opportunities in the market. We should ignore so many opportunities. We should only trade if there are 2 or 3 confluences in this trade and if the trade is according to the trend, because you heard that trend is our only friend in the financial markets. Now some beginner trader thinks how ascending triangle pattern look like. So I will draw. See, this is the resistance. What is the path? Here I will use the TradingView software so the beginner traders identify easily. See, this is the higher low, this is the higher low, and this is the higher low. Let's go to my notebook. And I think I have to draw for you. Now I will draw what we saw in our chart. Firstly, we saw that our market is so bullish, our market behaves so positive in the previous time, and after that there is some profit booking and some sellers are active, and after that this kind of pattern is formed. This is the ascending triangle pattern. This is the resistance of the ascending triangle pattern. Next step, which is how to enter. If we go to our notebook, most of the traders and most of the beginners also enter here in this trade, which is not good. This trade is so good, this setup is so good, but the entry is not good. We shouldn't enter here, but we have to wait. We have to wait for a perfect setup and we have to wait for the perfect entry. Basically, entry is the main point in this trade. If its breakout is green candle, the structure is like that. If the market again go bullish and after that again bullish and after that some kind of profit booking is there. In most of the scenario the profit booking is not so much, and most of the beginners also enter here, but this is not a correct way. This is not a perfect entry. The perfect entry is wait for a retest. Retest is so important in breakout tradings. Now previously, before the breakout, this line behaves as a resistance. Remember I told you this line is behave as a resistance, but now the game is reversed. After the breakout behave as a support. The main game is there, and if in this support the green candle is formed here, we got the perfect entry. And after that, in most of the cases, if you enter here, there are 2 benefits. The SL is so small here and the target is so high, so you will get a best trade and best risk to reward ratio. And there is one benefit for you. In most of the cases, after this green candle there is a heavy momentum in the market. Now again we go to our charts. Now what we have seen that we should not directly enter here in this green candle. Now let's see. Yes, this is the perfect entry. This is our perfect entry. Like There is one more confluence I will show you. After that breakout, we also got a small flag kind of pattern, and here is also see this red candle is a retest candle, and after that a green candle. This green candle is our entry. Now let's enter here. Now if we put a small SL below this retest candle and want to achieve 1:2 target, for example, the target is all based on the situation of the market. See, by our perfect analysis, these two candles are enough for our target. See, I want 1:2 target, but the market give me some more. See, the market is so bullish, and if you are a beginner trader, you should exit here. And if you are some professional, you should wait for a long target because the market is so bullish and there is no negative sign to exit. Now let's see some more. See, the market is more bullish then. So this is the daily time frame. So there are one more entry signal, and if after that a green candle is formed, we should directly enter in that green candle. Here notice that this is not for a beginner trader. Beginner trader should exit here, but if you are a beginner trader, you should listen that, and after some practice of months or years, you should enter these type of trades. Yes, so there is a green candle, you should enter directly here. We should enter here, and our SL is like this, and our target again we want 1:2 target, and if the market behaves negative, we should exit, otherwise we should stay. See the market, see the structure of market. See, firstly we want 1:2 target from the market, but market gave us 1:, I think 3.77, most probably near to 1:4. So this is a perfect setup, and after that see, but it is more bullish, but we don't enter here. So in this video we will discuss that what is ascending triangle pattern, what are the best entry points and how to enter in that, and the best exit points according to the situation. But you will need to keep your exit points in mind as it changes according to the market situation. The market will not work according to you. Therefore, you should always practice more and more. You should see the charts of different elements like gold, Bitcoin, silver, Euro USD, Nasdaq, etc. So now we will meet in the next video, and if you want a video on any topic, let me know in the comment sections. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.